Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how you can activate quiet mode over on Instagram. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end and make sure to follow all the steps properly. Let's get started. All you need to do, first of all, head over to your profile section, which is in the bottom right. After that, navigate up to the top right and click on these three lines and go to Instagram settings. Over here you will find notifications, so head to that. Now here you will see pause all. Now simply go ahead and toggle this on. Now once you turn that on, here we have another dialog box, which is basically, you can see, now I can pause Instagram notifications from 15 minutes up to 8 hours. And if I select 8 hours from here, now I'll not get any of the notification up to 8 hours, and my Instagram goes to a silent mode now. So guys, in the case if you don't have this option right here, all you need to do, then you're gonna go to your Play Store, and over there you have to search for Instagram and check if there is any update for Instagram is currently available. Then update it to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is the update. So you have to update Instagram to its latest version. Once you have done, simply open it up again and repeat the process. Then definitely you will get this pause all option right here. So this is how you can activate quiet mode over on your Instagram. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.